Oh no, this place is gonna blow! I gotta find the others and get out of here!
Self-destruct sequence activated. Please evacuate this facility.
What? I have to find Chris and Barry and get out of here!
Get out here! You again? Eat this!
Is this place really gonna blow?
Ah, there you are!
We need to get to the helipad now! Let's go!
No use! My guns are doing no damage!
Use this!
Hell yeah! This case was really weird. Too weird.